Hi, my name is Natalie Fine. I'm a counselor at the Community College of Philadelphia, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw or drop your courses. Now, if the semester hasn't started, it's considered a drop. If the semester has started, it's going to be a withdrawal. Now, it is important to know for this, you can drop your classes without meeting with a counselor before the semester starts, but once the semester starts, if you're going to drop all of your classes, you will need to meet with a counselor to do that. This is all only if the semester hasn't started, or if you're dropping one course or two courses, not all of your courses when the semester starts. So you're going to log on to your MyCCP account. Under the Home tab, you're going to scroll down until you see Student Services. Your options might be in a different order than on my screen. So then you're going to click on Student Services. Then you're going to go to Enrollment Services. From there, even though you want to drop or withdraw from a course, you're going to click on Search for Courses, Register Online. You're going to click on, even though you want to drop or withdraw, Register for Classes. It might also show CCP students only, register for classes. You're going to put in the term for which you want to drop your classes and click Continue. On the lower right-hand side, we're going to see the classes that you're registered for, the term you selected. And in this case, since the semester hasn't started, I am able to drop all of my courses. You would click on Web Drop and then click on Submit. And as you can see, the courses were deleted, and now I'm no longer registered for those courses. If you have any questions or if it didn't work for you, please email counseling@ccp.edu. Have a nice day.